Carpenter at messy desk, confused, flipping through vague blueprints. Tried building something, and the plans were trash, missing steps, confusing diagrams, no measurements. Takes. Close-up of expensive furniture price tags. Want beautiful furniture but can't drop $3,000 on a table? Old wood and garage. Carpenter looks unsure. Or maybe you found scrap wood and thought, what if I mess it up? Montage. Student is confused. Carpenter gives proper plan. They build together. I get it. I faced all this too, so I built the solution. Introducing Ted's Woodworking. 16,000 projects with real step-by-step plans. 16,000 plus plans. Beginner-friendly. No fancy tools needed. Fast-cut montage. People building birdhouses, tables and chairs, smiling. It's like having a master woodworker guiding you. Every cut, every screw, every step. Get 50 free woodworking plans plus a 440-page guide. Link in bio. Start building today. Text on screen. 50 free plans plus full guidebook. Link in bio.